User setup. Press on system. Administrator setup. Press on net administrator. Press on. Please select net administrator finger. Press on net card. Please press finger. Please remove and 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 LCC. Allowed. Please select net administrator net finger. Press on net card. Press 2 net password. Press 3. Please find card. LCC. Press 2. Please select net administrator net finger. Press on net card. Press 2 net password. Press please enter email password. Please enter LCC. Look at the log. Please minimize the administrator. Minimize seat user setup. Press on system setup. Press 2 log administrator setup. Press on no net normal user. Press on. Please select net normal user with net finger. Press on net card. Press 2 net. Please look at the log. Please look at the. Please turn right. Please turn left. Please up ahead. Please look at the seat. The log. The log.